I'm now bringing the third video of the axis controls in motion, and the Z-axis follows quickly because it's just a actuator unit that I bolted onto the gantry platform. And this is a stepper motor. The other two motors were servo motors. So I'm using a stepper drive that you can't see on the other side of the gantry. So what am I doing here? Well, I'm using up parts that I already have to build a CNC router. So I tend to see one part that looks promising, and I'll build up a little prototype mechanism for it, test it out, and if it works, I put it into the plan to use it. And it's a slow process, but I am using up what I already have on hand. So I'm quite happy about that. I've had to buy a few things, not as much as I thought I would. So I have 3 axes working as of today, and my next stage is going to be hooking up the electronics. So I imagine the next video will be the CNC printed encoder parts for the X and Y axis. Well, I guess we'll see you then.